wanted to start out here with a little bit of instruction on how to do lessons 2 and 3. Oops, 3. So I'll start with lesson 2 and the pen tool. Make sure you get the pen tool. Make sure you don't get the curvature tool. It's the pen tool. And over here with stroke and fill, you're going to pull it so that there's no fill, and you're going to give it a stroke that is a bright color so you can see it very well. You're also going to make that stroke weight a little more, like 4 or 5. Easy enough to begin. You'll start where it says start. You'll finish where it says finish. You will click here and let go. And you're just making straight lines. Pretty straightforward. Now, a lot of people, when they first start doing this one, will inadvertently leave the fill color turned on. And they'll leave it on white, and then they'll get very confused. Let me show you what that looks like. You'll start here. And my fill color is turned to white. And now I can't see where to go next. When I turn the fill color to something else, you'll see why. Right? If the fill is yellow, you see the problem. So make sure you turn your fill off before you begin. I'm going to pause my recording for just a moment so I can get all the way to the end and show you the last bit of it. So I've gotten to the end, and it says Control click here to end the line. Now in the previous lesson I said to Alt click, which also works. But I'm now going to push down Control and click there to end my line. And that piece is done. That's half. If you want to change colors at this point, you surely can. All you're going to wind up doing is making these lines and then Control click, and don't be a perfectionist. Control click, and get all the way done. Kind of jumped ahead for just a moment so you can see kind of where I was headed. But make sure you cover all these lines up, because that's the whole point of this, is to create straight vector paths in Illustrator. I'm going to leave it to your imagination to determine how to do the center. I'm sure you can come up with some good color schemes or something like that. The second one that I've got for today is this one, and it's a very similar set of processes. You're going to change your fill color to transparent. You're going to change your stroke color to something bright so you can see it, and you're going to change your stroke weight. You're going to make all of these shapes. The star to the right-hand side of this lightning bolt, for reasons I don't entirely understand, tends to turn my paint green. I've got it. See, it just changed it to green. If that happens, you can leave it green or you can change it back. It's up to you. There's just a little dot of green in there that tends to do that to you. It doesn't matter. Just do all the shapes on this page, and when you finish it, show me both of these pages, and that'll be today's grade.